had this aloe vera plant since this last fall. All winter, it has been sitting in a windowsill. Well, it's time to get this poor thing transplanted into a bigger container. We'll add some soil to this clay pot. Slide this plant out, and you see it's got some circling roots. We'll do a little bit of this, trying to get these roots to stop circling. I would check twice a year, in the spring and the fall, when you're bringing it inside or when you're taking it back outside, to see if it needs to be in a larger container. And then we can plant it in our pot and add just a little bit of soil around the edges. And you notice this pot isn't a whole lot bigger than the container that it was in, because aloe veras don't need a whole lot of moisture. They're a succulent, and so I don't want to put too much soil around the roots, because I want it to stay on what I call the dry side of moist. And there, this plant is a lot happier and with a little more root room.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.